Look at this, guys. This is a Franklin, Victory Franklin down the showground, look. In Victory today. Look at some of my other videos. I've been down the factory today to see how they make the caravans. Yeah, this has got the big decking on already. Yeah, this is 40 by 20. But look at the outside cladding. This will last you, God knows, 50 years. It's gorgeous. Made so nice. Look at those chairs. That is quality, guys, isn't it? The quality of Victories now is just second to none, guys. Absolutely love it. Let me know if you like it. By the way, it's Nigel. I hope you're having a good day. Look at this. Got a washing machine in there. Look at that. Look at this bathroom. Look at the tiles on the bathroom. Got the Velux up there as well. Yeah. Look at these bedrooms. This is stunning, guys. Look at this. Look at that for master room with the Velux and the roof and all. I'd love to be in one of these. Look at the window space, like area it is. Look at that. What a stunning day, guys. What a stunning day. Look at that as well. Walk-in bath. Look at that. All separate. Blinds, bath. Perfect. They dress them out so nice, don't they? Big wardrobe place. If you want to see one of these, you just got to hook up with me and send me a message so I can get hold of Tim and you can come to the showground. Now they got a new showground and it's in just outside Hull, okay? Look at the quality of this. Look at the finish. Cooker, look at that. Hob, five hob. Put some bread there, I'm starving, I'll put that in a minute. Hey, look at that to store your wine. Put your wine in there. Washing machine, dishwasher, the whole shooting match. You've got to love this, haven't you? I'm going to show you the outside now. But it's beautiful. Okay, mate, I'm just filming this. Now this is quality. I've got to tell you, mate.
Really nice.
I love those suede chairs.
Yeah.
It's got that rustic farmhouse table in it, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm just going to show them the outside because this decking goes all the way around. So this is a Franklin, okay? 40 by 20, two bed. Yeah, if you want to come down and have a look at it, you're more than welcome, guys. Okay? So we're down in, there's the experience centre there. And Tim will show you around whenever you want to come and look at it. Look at this. Beautiful, guys. Listen, thanks for watching, yeah? If you're interested, send me a message. See you later.